welcome today. Today I'll be making a video, make a lot of videos. Yeah, so, need to brush my teeth. I'm sorry. I'll brush them. But, I just wanted to, if Yummy Mash is watching this, Yummy Mash, you're awesome, Yummy Mash. Slender. Right, so yeah. I'm gonna go outside. As you can see, it's very bright out here. It's sunny, nice, and most beautiful. Hey, Grandpa, where's Poppy? Get ready.
No, not yet. She's gone to get some work shoes for that truck.
Wait, can you just get my card?
Well, he said he will just turn it on this evening. Just call us at that time.
Should I pick this one or this one? This one's the choice. Let's go riding, guys. What the? Get my kickstand off. So hard. Taking a little stroll. So. Alright. We're going to stroll down. Alright. You guys want to see something that's been hanging on our roof? Can you guess what that is? You do know what it is? Put it in the comments below. I'm just riding around in the sun. I ain't getting my tail cold because it's warm out here. I'm trying to stay out here and get some warm. I'm riding up to the driveway. Yeah, but quite cool out here. I seen this yesterday, but it wasn't this warm out here yesterday. This is highly rare. Look at that blue sky. That is beautiful, guys. Makes our yard a whole lot beautiful. There's no rain. And my back is getting burnt. Yeah, so now my front's gonna get burnt. But I don't care. It's a good feeling. Get my side because it's cold inside, so check out my hand. Oh, what do we got here, guys? Is shutting up flowers or something? Got there alive right there. They don't know this. They're going to be on YouTube. Alright. So yeah, That's why I came out here. Just a little bit. These are getting burned up. It feels good. Alright. Spray this. Run! As you can see, it's my reflection and having hard. Let's get into it. Bye, Zappers.